Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with the Happy Ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, in today's video, I just want to share which I'm going through, and it's really very difficult for me to tolerate this. Still, I'm bearing it, and I'm mentally as well as physically disturbed. You know what happened with me since the time I returned home, because of I think I traveled through aeroplane. That's why I'm facing a issue, and that issue is not a very small one. It has become a bigger one, and for this I also visited a doctor. I went to a doctor. He examined my ear properly, and I also went through some tests, and from the test it was appeared that I'm facing hearing issues, and it's not only hearing issue. There is one problem which is called tinnitus. This problem has been disturbing me a lot for a very long time, but earlier it was not that much. But since the time I went to Mumbai and then I returned just by plane, so now it has become really very difficult for me to understand. If I try to have conversation with anyone, then I'm not able to understand that person properly. Even sometimes I don't get even at this much, and it's been 5 days. Today is it's fifth day today, and means today I tried this thing. I thought, no, I have to do something, because earlier during those days I was totally upset. It was really very awful, and I my dreams, just because of this problem, it seems to me my dream has completely shattered, and now I will not be able to work on my channel as well as on my journey, because this problem I'm facing because when I was on my initial days of learning this language, then I used to use headphones a lot, and that's why it means 4 and 5 hours. So I don't know only I'm the one who is facing that problem, or there's so many people who are just because of using headphones they face these problems. But I would say, if you are also on the journey of becoming fluent in the speaker and you do listening practice, then avoid using headphones, because I don't want you to face this problem which I'm going through, and it's really very difficult for me to navigate through all of this still. um just because my husband is there, my all family members are there, they have been trying to console me, and because of this now I got some strength inside me, and I'm started this camera and I'm shooting this video. Earlier, means during these 4 and 5 days since the time I have returned, I was not combing my hair. I was, means throughout the day I used to just sleep. But I think it's not good for me. If I want to do something productive, then at least I have to have that hope, because if you are really very passionate about doing something, then only your that burning desire, that little hope will leads you to your success. And I'm really very passionate about this language, there's no doubt. Though I don't have all the facilities, I don't have all the things, situations as well as circumstances are not according to me, still I have to achieve my goal. And I would say this is a thing that I want you to share with all of you, because that nowadays I think it's been, doctor has advised me that you should cut off your work, and that's why I stopped taking classes and I stopped making videos. But I will, if I will shoot, then I shoot only my solo videos, not conversation videos, because in order to do conversation I have to listen to others, and because of my ear problem I'm not able to listen anyone. and it always seems to me throughout the day like aeroplanes, trains, and machineries are buzzing in my ears and my head. It also seems to me it's so heavy. So because of these things, I'm not able to do whatever I want to do. I wanted to share this with my subscribers, viewers, that experience. But unfortunately, I'm not able to do that. So it okay, if I'm not able to do right now, then I will do it later on. But I will definitely keep working on it. And I would say only one thing to all of you. ये लाइफ है, लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम्स के चक्कर में ना फंस के अपने गोल पर फोकस कीजिए। मीन्स 2 दिन पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रो रही थी, और देन सभी फैमिली वालों ने उन्होंने वो आए, मुझे अच्छे से समझाया कि इट्स जस्ट एन एयर प्रॉब्लम, डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी सम medicines to cure this problem. You should not take this much stress. If you will take this much stress, then your health will also get affected. So that's why now I thought like shooting this video. Even I don't feel like making this video, I don't feel like talking to anyone. I don't know why, because whenever I'm going to communicate with anyone, even in with my family members, then just because I'm not able to understand them, that's why I don't feel like talking to them. Because there's no doubt, sometimes, well, you are not able to understand properly to anyone, then people, they try to mock at you, they try to make fun of you. But I think it's not good for me to take them seriously. I have to work on my goal, and that's why, you know, because I'm not able to understand, even right now I'm speaking, but I'm not able to understand my own voice properly. That's why I am not doing anything, not even a single practice. Because health is more than anyone, health is precious than this language. If my health will be get affected, then I will be regret throughout my life, and that this is the thing I don't want to do. And this was the thing that I wanted you to know, and I shared my problems. Please, 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 if you have been messaging me for a very long time for conversation, then please try to understand. Within 30 or 20 days, 20 or 30 days, I'll not be able to attend any session, and I'll not be able to make any video. Even it has become really very difficult for me to attend anyone's call. So please don't call me, please, these days don't message me. Please try to understand. I'll meet when I will recover, when I will overcome this problem. Till then, bye bye.